sweetie. So how's school today?
Well, I had tons of fun at school. Because like Anna was someone's birthday and we ate my favorite cake, blueberry cake.
Okay, so let's go upstairs.
Okay, why are we going upstairs?
Because I had to show you something.
Okay.
What's that noise? Nothing to see, nothing.
Oh, guys. Okay, guys, I got my car. Okay, guys, so they're just like fixing my car, stuff like that.
Hey, Dave, hey, ever heard of this song? Na 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 na.
Okay, you need to stop it right now. Stop it.
Why?
I need to go watch my TV, boy. Ow, you missed me, girl.